Japanese manufacturing stands as a monumental testament to resilience, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to quality. Emerging from the ashes of World War II, Japan's manufacturing sector not only rebuilt itself, but also transformed into a global powerhouse, influencing industries worldwide. This transformation was not merely a matter of adopting new technologies. It was about embracing a mindset, a philosophy rooted in lean principles, total quality management, and the Toyota production system. Imagine this. After the devastation of war, Japan faced a daunting task. The economy lay in ruins, industries were crippled, and the people were desperate for hope. But instead of succumbing to despair, they rolled up their sleeves and set out to redefine what manufacturing could be. They focused on two key concepts: efficiency and quality. The idea was simple yet profound. If you could streamline processes and eliminate waste, you could produce better products at a lower cost. This was the birth of lean manufacturing. Lean principles became the backbone of Japanese manufacturing. They emphasized the importance of creating value for the customer while minimizing waste. Think about it. Every piece of inventory that sits unused is a cost. Every minute wasted in production is a lost opportunity. By adopting a lean mindset, Japanese companies learned to identify what truly mattered to their customers and to streamline their operations accordingly. This approach didn't just improve productivity. It fostered a culture of continuous improvement, or Kaizen, where every employee was encouraged to contribute ideas for enhancing processes. The Toyota production system, or TPS, took these principles to the next level. Developed by Taiichi Ohno at Toyota, TPS revolutionized the automotive industry by introducing concepts like just-in-time manufacturing and jidoka, automation with a human touch. Just-in-time means producing only what is needed when it's needed, which drastically reduces inventory costs. Jidoka allows machines to detect defects and stop production, ensuring that quality is built into the process rather than inspected in at the end. This proactive approach to quality management laid the groundwork for what would become Total Quality Management, or TQM. TQM is about more than just the end product. It's about creating a culture of quality within the entire organization. It involves every employee, from the factory floor to the executive suite, in the pursuit of excellence. Companies like Sony and Honda embraced TQM, embedding it into their organizational cultures. They understood that quality isn't just a department. It's a mindset. By focusing on customer satisfaction and continuous improvement, they set new standards for what consumers could expect from their products. But let's not forget the cultural foundations that made all of this possible. Japan's manufacturing legacy is deeply intertwined with its cultural values. Diligence, teamwork, and a reverence for craftsmanship are not just buzzwords. They are the very essence of Japanese manufacturing. In Japan, there's a profound respect for the process of making things. It's not just about the end product. It's about the journey, the attention to detail, the relentless pursuit of perfection. This cultural ethos extends to the workforce as well. In Japan, employees are not just cogs in a machine. They are empowered participants in the manufacturing process. They are encouraged to take ownership of their work, to suggest improvements, and to collaborate with their colleagues. This sense of belonging and commitment fosters innovation and drives the continuous improvement that is so vital to Japanese manufacturing. Now, let's take a moment to consider the global impact of this legacy. The principles pioneered by Japanese manufacturers have transcended borders, influencing companies around the world. From Ford to General Motors, businesses have adopted elements of lean manufacturing and TQM to streamline their operations and enhance product quality. The ripple effects of Japan's manufacturing revolution can be seen in industries as diverse as electronics, textiles, and even healthcare. As we look at the historical context of Japanese manufacturing, we can trace its roots back to a rich tradition of craftsmanship. For centuries, Japanese artisans have honed their skills in various fields, from ceramics to textiles to metalworking. The meticulous attention to detail and commitment to quality that characterized these traditional crafts laid the foundation for modern manufacturing practices. During the Edo period, Japan witnessed significant technological advancements in industries like textiles and papermaking. These early innovations contributed to the development of efficient production methods that would later be refined and expanded upon in the post-war era. After World War II, Japan faced the monumental task of rebuilding its economy. It was during this critical period that the teachings of American statistician W. Edwards Deming took root. Deming's emphasis on statistical process control and the human element of production revolutionized Japanese manufacturing practices, setting the stage for the extraordinary advancements that followed. Key companies played pivotal roles in this transformation. Toyota, with its TPS, set new benchmarks for manufacturing efficiency and quality. Sony, with its commitment to TQM, showcased Japan's ability to blend innovation with stringent quality control. Honda embraced lean manufacturing principles, allowing it to balance innovation with operational excellence. And Panasonic, with its relentless pursuit of technological advancement, epitomized Japan's emphasis on product reliability. Today, the principles of lean manufacturing, TPS, and TQM continue to resonate in the business world. Companies seeking operational excellence look to Japan's manufacturing legacy for inspiration. The core tenets of identifying value, mapping the value stream, creating flow, implementing pull, and pursuing perfection are as relevant now as they were decades ago. So, what can modern businesses learn from this remarkable legacy? First and foremost, the importance of a customer-centric approach cannot be overstated. Understanding what customers truly value and aligning operations to meet those needs is crucial for success. Additionally, fostering a culture of continuous improvement empowers employees to take ownership of their work and contribute to innovation. Moreover, the emphasis on collaboration and long-term relationships, whether with suppliers or within teams, can lead to more robust and resilient operations. The Japanese model of supply chain management, characterized by trust and cooperation, offers valuable lessons for businesses striving for efficiency and effectiveness. In conclusion, the Japanese manufacturing legacy is not just a historical phenomenon. It is a living, breathing testament to what can be achieved through resilience, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of quality. The methodologies and cultural values that emerged from Japan's post-war reconstruction have left an indelible mark on global manufacturing practices. As we continue to navigate the complexities of modern business, the lessons learned from this legacy remain more relevant than ever, guiding us toward a future defined by excellence and continuous improvement.